Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will show you how to get Grammarly Premium absolutely free of cost. So to get Grammarly Premium, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to your browser and then you have to go to grammarly.com. So firstly you have to go to your browser and here you have to go to grammarly.com. And this is grammarly.com. Click on this site. Here you have to click on login. So and then you have to go to Oxam.com. So in the Oxam.com you have to register your account. So first I register your account and then go sign in. So after sign in you have to sign in your account and password. So click on sign in and then here you will get into this website, and in this website you will get browse free services. So click on browse free services and then you will see Grammarly Pro. So click on this and you will get email and password and paste it email here. Click on continue and you have to copy the password and paste the password here. Click on sign in and then you have get Grammarly Pro absolutely free of cost. So to use Grammarly, click any of these documents